5 surprising benefits of apple cider vinegar. While you think about vinegar, the first issue that probably comes to thoughts is the clean, stinky liquid that is regularly used for cleansing, disinfecting, and whilst part of your day-by-day splendor regimen. But there is a selected type of vinegar that has in particular remarkable benefits on your health, your appearance, and even to your pets, which could wonder you. Apple cider vinegar, also called cider vinegar or ACV, has been used for hundreds of years to relieve everything from stubborn stains to the common bloodless, and remains a pass-to treatment encouraged through many health specialists these days. 1. Advantages for the body. ACV is typically available in most supermarkets and herbal meal stores in an assortment of bureaucracy. Whether fed on in its raw, unfiltered form, as a tonic or blended with a beverage, apple cider vinegar has numerous blessings for the body that aid lengthy lasting health. Detoxifies and builds immunity. Apple cider vinegar is packed with probiotics, true microorganism and acetic acid, which all help to cleanse your frame, stability blood sugar, enhance digestion, raise electricity, and enhance the immune gadget. Alleviates allergies. Because apple cider vinegar is crafted from the rather nutritious apple fruit, it incorporates a number of enzymes, minerals, and vitamins, along with nutrients B1, B2, B6, and C, biotin, folic acid, niacin, phosphorus, potassium, calcium, iron, and magnesium. These vitamins enhance immunity and balance your body's herbal pH stages to help prevent ailments, allergic reactions, and different seasonal ailments. Plus cures candida. Folks who be afflicted by an overgrowth of yeast inside the body can experience such signs and symptoms as exhaustion, mind fog, joint pain, digestive issues, and urinary tract infections, UTIs, amongst different situations. The excessive content of herbal enzymes in apple cider vinegar helps to improve digestion and repair the herbal stability of healthful microorganism inside the intestine, which reduces the overgrowth of candida inside the body. Reduces muscle fatigue. Whether or not you've recently completed a difficult exercising or just have tight and tired muscle groups from strenuous or monotonous activities, apple cider vinegar is a secure and healthy treatment that may offer remedy. Because of the content of amino acids, raw enzymes, and potassium in ACV, drinking simply teaspoons can assist to conquer muscle fatigue, lessen irritation, and flush out constructed up lactic acid. Promotes bladder fitness. If E. coli microorganism from your colon input the urinary tract, it affects an urinary tract infection that could purpose odorous or discolored urine, a burning sensation whilst you urinate, the common need to urinate or pain inside the abdomen. Apple cider vinegar is a commonly used remedy for UTIs, as the potassium inside the liquid hinders the increase of the UTI-causing bacteria, at the same time as its acetic acid content material kills terrible microorganism and supports the growth of good microorganism. 2 advantages in your look. In addition to serving numerous benefits for your internal structures, apple cider vinegar is likewise extraordinarily useful to your outward appearance in a number of ways. Improves the fitness of your hair. Whilst you may have a no-way concept to apply apple cider vinegar as a shampoo or conditioner, it actually serves as a nourishing wash to your hair and scalp. It helps to repair the hair and scalp's pH balance, seal the hair cuticles, deal with a dry and itchy scalp, naturally detangle hair, and inspire hair boom. Brightens pores and skin. Apple cider vinegar mixed with water makes it a especially effective face wash that clears and brightens the skin. ACV incorporates alpha hydroxy acid that eliminates dead pores and skin and decreases the advent of age spots. Similarly, its malic acid content material makes it an amazing antibacterial, antifungal and antiviral answer that reduces the formation of blemishes. For those with extra dry pores and skin, ACV can help to hydrate and reduce the arrival of wrinkles, ensuing in a vivid, youthful look. Reduces frame scent. The frame produces a sturdy and unsightly smell, while overactive sweat glands generate an abundance of sweat that is then mixed with microorganism. Because apple cider vinegar enables to kill undesirable microorganism, applying ACV on your underarms can assist lessen the smell. Eliminate skin warts. A skin wart can be an embarrassing, bothersome increase. This is difficult to put off with common lotions, astringents or treatments. Fortuitously, ACV will save you a journey for your dermatologist's office because it is able to be combined with water and carried out on your wart for a smooth, painless remedy on the way to reduce the wart's appearance through the years. Facilitates you lose weight. Even as that is truly of a debated benefit, proof shows that apple cider vinegar might also definitely assist to reduce frame weight. It works by lowering blood glucose ranges, blockading the digestion of starch, lowering urge for food, and burning fat. 3 benefits for the home. While ingesting apple cider vinegar and consuming in its various bureaucracy is tremendously useful for your general health and look, the definitely unexpected blessings are what it can do for your private home and garden. Cleans your home. Apple cider vinegar isn't always only a higher smelling, more herbal manner to clean your kitchen counters, toilet tile, and hardwood flooring, but it will additionally prevent cash in comparison to expensive commercial cleaners. Helps your pets. Given that apple cider vinegar is a secure and non-poisonous solution for human beings to eat and follow topically, it is able to also be used in the identical methods to your furry circle of relatives individuals. Preserves food. Vinegar is used as a not unusual preservative for pickled foods, but depending on the kind used, it is able to additionally add a completely unique taste that tastes top-notch and makes greens finer longer. Improves dye coloration. Whether you're death eggs on Easter or freshening up your hair shade with an at-home remedy, adding apple cider vinegar to your dye will bring about richer, fuller color. Kills weeds. Retaining a lovely long void of pesky, overgrown weeds cannot handiest be pricey if you're the use of name brand chemical substances, but it could be poisonous in your children and pets. If you want to read the article, I have put a link in the description. Do not forget to subscribe and activate the notification bell to receive every new video, and also do not forget to share the video with your friends. Thanks for watching.